Fly high to land. Fly high to land. Fly high to land.
Hi, friends. Look at our playground. It's messy and the street is very close to it. First, we need to clean up this mess. Then we must build a wall fence to help keep us safe.
But we need ambition to push us. Ambition is a strong feeling to do something. Ambition starts with the letter A. A says ambition. A is for ambition. Again, A says ambition. A is for ambition.
Now here are some A words. A says apple. A is for apple. Again, A says apple. A is for apple. Also, A says ant. A is for ant. But remember, A says ambition. A is for ambition.
I can say those A words. A says apple. A says ant. A says ambition.
I can say those A words too. A says apple. A says ant. A says ambition. Those ants are so strong to carry that big piece of breadcrumbs. If they can do that, then we can build our wall fence.
A long time ago, a man named Nehemiah heard that the walls of Jerusalem were broken. He was sad, but he had the ambition to fix them. He had a strong desire to repair the walls. So Nehemiah prayed to God for help. He did so while he was in his room. At that time, Nehemiah was working for the king. Then he thought about asking the king for help. Nehemiah went to the king and asked for his favor. Nehemiah was nice to the king. The king gave him all that he needed to rebuild the walls. Sometime later, Nehemiah went at night to see the broken walls. So, Nehemiah got some friends together. They planned to work with each other to get the job done. Nehemiah told his friends to keep on working and not to stop building. Even when they had people who were against them, Nehemiah said to keep on going. Don't stop until the wall is rebuilt tall and strong. It looks like JJ, Vivi, and company are back and are cleaning up the playground. A change is taking place. The kids are working together. They are having fun doing so. Large KiddyU garbage trucks came and took the garbage away. And now, JJ, Vivi, and their diverse friends are working as a team. They are passing KiddyU building blocks from hand to hand. They are building a solid wall fence along the street. JJ and Vivi are using their ambition, just like Nehemiah did. They have a strong feeling to build the wall. Look at that teamwork. It really gets things done.
You were so good today, Vivi. You showed great ambition.
And you too, JJ. We did it! At KiddyU, we fly high to learn. Come back next time for the letter B.
Subscribe to KiddyU. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.